Welcome to the Clinical Trials Locator site, which highlights clinical trials exclusively for people with glioma. In this video, we will show you how to use some of the search functionalities of this site. First, click Get Started to go to the main page. On this page, you will see several search and filtering options to the left. If you click General, you may search for clinical trials by patient age and keywords included in the trial name. Say you are a 35-year-old patient with an IDH mutant glioma. You can type these items into the boxes to search clinical trials for patients with these characteristics. You can also search for specific treatments using the keywords box. Make sure the recruiting box is checked if you are looking for trials that are actively taking new participants. You can also search for clinical trials by the name of the organization leading the trial, the lead sponsor of the trial, and eligibility criteria, or the requirements that must be met for a person to be included in the study. Under Organization, let's search for actively recruiting trials for 35-year-old individuals with IDH mutant glioma that are based at Massachusetts General Hospital. This search leads to two results. If we click on the first result, it will take us to a page that tells us more about the trial, including a brief summary of the study, what conditions are targeted, the study type, how many people are currently enrolled, when the study started, and when it is projected to end. If we scroll down, we can see what phase the clinical trial is currently in and eligibility criteria. If you are interested in a specific trial, make sure that you fit the inclusion criteria but do not fit the exclusion criteria. At the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the facilities that are actively enrolling participants in this trial. If you are interested in joining a trial, share this information with your neuro-oncologist. To continue searching, go back to the main page.